This week, Meta changed the game with the launch of Muse Spark. This is the long-awaited release after the $14 billion deal with Alexander Wang and Scale AI in June 2025. It features native multimodal reasoning. We've moved beyond simple text generators to AI that can actually see, hear, and reason all at once. As PMs and builders, we also need to understand that Muse Spark isn't just a bigger model, it's a smarter architecture with parallel reasoning. Today, I'm breaking down why contemplating mode and parallel reasoning are about to change everything we know about agentic AI. The breakthrough here is parallel reasoning. Traditionally, models think linearly, as we called it chain of thought. With Muse Spark, the contemplating mode acts more like a project team. It spins up multiple internal agents simultaneously. One layer audits the logic, another looks for edge cases, and a third optimizes the output. This doesn't just make the model more accurate, it makes it significantly faster at handling complex, multi-step tasks. Then, there is the native multimodality. We aren't just tagging images with text anymore. Muse Spark features visual chain of thought, meaning it can actually analyze the layout of a complex UI or mechanical drawing. It understands how different parts connect and interact, giving agents a sense of spatial awareness in both software and the real world. This has been the missing piece for truly autonomous AI that we haven't seen in open source models before. So, what's the impact? We are moving from chatbots to orchestrators. Because Muse Spark is optimized for low compute environments, we can now deploy high intelligence agents at the edge devices. For those of us building AI products, the strategy is clear. Stop building for simple prompts and start building for complex loops. The agentic future is here and is powered by parallel thought. I'm curious, how are you planning to integrate Muse Spark into your roadmap? Appreciate your comments.